Hey guys, it's me, Glass One Girl. For today's video, I'll be playing with the Rubik's Cube, and that's basically what I'm going to be doing. I'll be playing with the Rubik's Cube, and I don't think I've ever mentioned before that I have a Rubik's Cube, but I do. It's right here, and, yeah, so basically that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll be playing with it, and, yeah, so I'm not really good at solving these kind of things. I've tried to solve this before, but I'm not good at it, so I might do that for this video. I probably will, and, yeah, so just playing with the Rubik's Cube. And yeah, I never mentioned this before, but I do have this. It was probably in the basement a couple months ago, but my dad found it recently, so it'll be fun to play with. And my mom had it. She kind of solved it. Like, maybe was it yesterday, I think. She solved it. Only one side, though. She only solved one side. She got all blue, so I thought that was really cool. But I wanted to play with it, so I kind of did mess up her a little bit of a game, but that's okay with me. I don't know if that's okay with her, but oh well. I mean, the Rubik's Cube is a share kind of thing. I mean, it's for all three of us, really. It's for me, my mom, and my dad. So I wanted to play with it, and I wanted to make a YouTube video about it, so I'm going to play with it. I can throw it in the air, too. And my hair is a little bit messy, if you could see. In the back it is, but you can't really see the back of my head. Well, if I was to do this, maybe you could. But it's pretty messy. I haven't had a bath in a while. But that's okay. That's okay. I think. I don't know. Anyways, I will have it soon, to those of you who are concerned. Whew, sorry, I'm talking a lot. But anyways, what I'm trying to say is, this is my Rubik's Cube. And I'm going, well, not mine, but I'm going to play with it today. So, make a video about it. So, let me try to solve it. I tried to solve it earlier with the all green, because green's my favorite color. Yeah, so, yeah, I don't think I should have shared that personal information for you, that I didn't have a bath. I don't think I should have shared you that. But, oh well, kind of happened. So, what I'm trying to say is, I don't think I was supposed to share that personal information with you guys. I haven't had a bath in a while, but oh well, it came out. So, yeah. There's not much going on with me. Not much. Do you guys remember this shirt? This shirt of mine? I don't know if you could see it. You think I remember? I think yeah. I've worn this shirt on a YouTube video before. It's kind of people are my kind of people. Yeah, it says it on here. Yeah, I've shown you this shirt before. Yes, I have. Alright, let's see if I can solve this. I don't think I can, but this probably won't be that long of a video. And if this video is upside down, that's okay, but it hasn't been recently, because it's the iPad camera, so. We'll see if it's upside down. I don't care. I can fix it easily, though. Let's see. Oh, I got a little bit of stuff right here. Kind of. I don't know. These are hard. I should be really watching tutorials because for me it's hard. I don't really know how to. I should be watching tutorials. Maybe I will. I probably will. Yeah, it's hard. Sometimes I think I have it, but I actually don't. It's hard. And I forgot that Rubik's Cubes are allowed to do this. I didn't think Rubik's Cube were allowed to do this, but they could. What I'm trying to say is that I had no idea that Rubik's Cubes were allowed to do this. I only thought you could do that and that, but I didn't know you could do it like that. But I just figured that out, so. Let's see. Do I have any size yet? No, they're all different. Okay. No, let's see. Do I have any? I have 4 whites right there. Should I try to get all white? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if I'm good or not. I'm kind of bad with some orange and reds right there. That's kind of something. Yeah, should I work on that part? I don't know. But, we've had this Rubik's Cube for a while. I guess I don't even know how long we have it, or how long we've had it, but it's fun. We've been getting very addicted to this recently because it's fun. It's a puzzle. I like puzzles sometimes. This won't be that long of a video. But my hair is messy. Yeah, it is kind of, but that's okay. What to talk about? There's not much, guys. Not much. I'll be making another YouTube video probably either tomorrow or Sunday. I'll be talking about my grandma. I have had 2 grandmas. I have 2 grandmas, but unfortunately they're both no longer with me. And same thing goes with my grandparents. I don't have them anymore. Yeah, I mean, my grandfathers. I don't have my grandfathers anymore. Basically, all my grandmas and grandfathers are no longer with me. Yeah, I have no more grandparents, but that's okay. I'll see them again eventually. Yeah, that's kind of sad. It was actually the 1-year anniversary of my grandma's death. The one I don't know if I probably have never talked about her before, but I've mentioned her cats before that we took in her cats. Yeah, so that's that grandma. So. Yeah, so my mom's mom, well, I'll talk about that in a different YouTube video, but yeah, it's been 1 year ago today since she died, so, my dad's mom, so, yeah, that's a weird noise I just made. Am I doing any good? I don't know. Yeah. I guess I'm doing okay. Throw it too. Let's not injure myself. Hopefully not. I won't injure myself. Try not to. I don't want to injure myself today. Don't know what else to talk about. Just, do I have anything going on? Let's see. Do I have it all? Do I have anything going right now? Hi. Let's see. Not really. Do I have any? No. They're not all the different colors. No, they're all different. Well, there's some blue going on here. Got 1, 2, 3. Kind of. That's yellow. 1, 2, 3 blue. Oh well. These are, like I said, these are hard for me. These are hard for me. I'm trying. I am trying. I have a little bit of a cold. I don't know if you can tell. You probably can't. But I kind of have one. Excuse me. So this video is upside down. That is totally fine. I could totally fix it. I've been fixing them. So. No, it's not. Come on. Work with me here. And then I can do this. Oh, wait. I had a yellow. The yellow is going. My dad just yawned. I have a yellow! Sort of. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Kind of. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, wow. It's actually pretty good. I could just... Ooh. Ooh. This won't be that long. So I probably won't play with this a lot. I won't play with this for long. So, yeah. I can throw it in the air again. Throw it over there. If I want to. Yes, I'm back in this part of the room again. Part of the room number 1. I think I've said it before. This is usually, when I first made a comeback to YouTube, my first location of my room that I wanted to make my videos in was in this room. So I'm back in this part of the room again. I like being here. Yeah, it's fun. Yeah. Come on. Oh, is it? Oh. Ooh. It's not doing anything. Oh, I got it white again. Come on, white. I don't know. I don't know if it's going well. So far, it's going pretty well with this. I don't know. Well, kind of. I don't know. Kind of do have a pattern. A little bit. Kind of, I guess. I don't want to break it. I'm just kind of worried about that sometimes, that I might break it, but I don't think I will. It's a little bit hard. You have to really think. You have to really think about what you're doing, because my mom has said that for a trick. You really have to think on what you're doing. But I'm also making this video, so I'm also thinking about the video, so I guess maybe I won't get this done with this much pressure. I don't know, because I'm making the video and I'm playing with it while making the video. I don't know. Maybe. I might solve it when I'm not recording. I'll film a little bit more. I'll do a little play with it a little bit more. Throw in the air again. That noise I just made. My parents are talking in the background. La 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 la. The thing that my dad made for me, that quiet on set, or nobody's allowed to, there's that little thing he made for me for people who are not knowing that I'm making a video right now. That thing is out there right now. So I guess that'll be that for this video. Didn't really solve anything, did I? No, that's okay though. Maybe next time. I might do another video of this again. I might play with it again. Yeah, probably. It's kind of a long video so far. Oh well, that's okay. That's fine with me. Alright, that's that for this video. Yes, so that's that for this video. See you guys probably Sunday or Saturday, but I'm thinking probably Sunday. So I'll see you guys then. Bye.